Hey there, future scientists. Today, I'm going to break down the fascinating world of drug receptor interactions. Imagine your body is like a giant lock with tons of keys. Drugs are like those keys, and receptors are the locks. Let's dive in. First off, what are receptors? Receptors are special proteins found on the surface of your cells. They're like little antennas that receive signals from outside the cell. When a drug or key binds to a receptor or lock, it sends a signal to the cell to do something. This could be anything from reducing pain to fighting off bacteria. Let's talk about our first example, morphine. Morphine is a powerful painkiller. It works by attaching to opioid receptors in the brain. Think of opioid receptors as the locks that control pain signals. When morphine binds to these receptors, it blocks the pain signals from reaching the brain. So, you feel less pain. Pretty cool, right? Now let's move on to our second example, insulin. Insulin is not exactly a drug, but it's a hormone used to treat diabetes. Insulin receptors are found on the surface of cells, especially in the liver, muscles, and fat. When insulin binds to these receptors, it acts like a key opening a door. This allows glucose or sugar to enter the cell and be used for energy. This is crucial for people with diabetes who have trouble regulating their blood sugar levels. So, how do drugs know which receptors to bind to? Well, it all comes down to shape and chemistry. Think of it like a puzzle. The shape of the drug has to match the shape of the receptor. If they fit together perfectly, the drug can activate or block the receptor. This precise fit is what makes drug-receptor interactions so specific and effective. But wait, there's more. Some drugs don't just bind to one type of receptor. They can interact with multiple receptors, causing different effects. For example, antihistamines used for allergies can bind to histamine receptors to stop sneezing and itching. But they can also bind to other receptors and make you feel drowsy. That's why some allergy medicines can make you sleepy. Understanding drug receptor interactions is super important for developing new medications. Scientists study how different drugs affect different receptors to create more effective treatments with fewer side effects. It's a bit like detective work, figuring out the perfect match between a drug and its receptor. So, there you have it. A simplified look at how drugs interact with receptors. Remember, your body is full of these amazing locks and keys working together to keep you healthy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.